Hey, welcome back to another kettlebell workout. Today we have a 15-minute workout. We're gonna be doing 45 seconds with a 15-second rest. We're gonna go 3 rounds. And today we're gonna be hitting deadlifts. We're gonna be doing alternating clean and squats, bent over rows, reverse lunges and press with a press, and then kettlebell swings. With all these movements, just take your time, have fun with them. We'll go over them as we're doing it. Just get acquainted with some of these movements and come back to them if you need to. That's the great thing about doing this. Come back to it if you need to. Have fun in your workouts. If you have any questions, you can always drop a comment. First one up, we're gonna be doing a deadlift. You're gonna be hinging at the hip, push your butt back. Let's go. Just like so, push that butt out. Keep your back nice and flat. Touch the weight to the floor, come back up. Just keep moving. Nice. I like starting with some deadlifts. That's halfway there. So push that butt out. Push it back. Out of way. Flat back. You can touch the ground if you need to. If you got wood floor, just be careful. Nice. So an alternating clean and squat. You just want to make sure, turn up this volume so you can hear a little bit. When you're cleaning it, you're going to clean it up, and then you're going to squat. Keep it close to the body. Clean it up, squat. Back down, switch hands. Clean it up, squat. Ready? Clean it up, keep it close to the body, and squat it. Clean it up, close to the body, and squat. From the side, clean, squat. Switch it out. Clean it up, squat it. Halfway, keep going. Clean it up, squat down. Keep the weight close to your body. Good job. 10 seconds. Nice. All right, we got alternating bent over row. All that is, you're just gonna pull. Alternating bent over row. Here we go. So you're gonna alternate, boom. If you don't wanna hold on to anything, don't hold on to it. It's really gonna challenge your balance a little bit more. Drive with the elbow, take it to the top. Whew. Nice. Halfway. Drive it up. Really take that elbow to the ceiling. Nice little lawnmower, bent over row. Pull. Nice. Our next one. We're gonna go into a reverse lunge with a press. So you're gonna lunge back, push it, and then stay on the same side. And we'll switch halfway. Here we go. Clean it up. Lunge back, press, together. This one's really gonna challenge your balance. So if you need to hold on to something, hold on. No problem. Lunge, press, together. Lunge it back, hold it, press it. Lunge, press, together. Switch sides. You can bring it down or you can just switch it over. It's totally up to you. Lunge, press. Take it back. Lunge, press. It's okay if you can't do it. Do your best. Good. All right, next one, we got kettlebell swings. Flat back, swing it up. Here we go. Swing it up. 2 hands, 1 hand, whatever you want to do. We'll a little hand to hand. It's totally up to you. Squeeze the glutes. at the hip. Go for the ride. Nice. Throw some hand to hand in there. Change it up. Nice. All right, round one finished. Let's go. Going back to the top, we got deadlifts. Woo! Feels good, doesn't it? On your deadlifts, you can always use a heavier weight. Use whatever. If you only have one kettlebell, that's okay too. I like to show the one kettlebell movements because not everybody can get 2 kettlebells. Even some gyms don't have 2 kettlebells. So you gotta find what works best for you and just rock it. Keep pushing that hip out, hinge and drive. Hinge it back. Good. I love it. Keep going. Yes. Nice. Remember those alternating clean and squats. I'm gonna face you this time. Keep it close to your body. Close, keep it racked, keep it close. Here we go. Weight starts behind the heels. Keep it close. Clean it up and squat. Switch. Clean it up and squat. Switch. Clean it up and squat. Clean and squat. Clean it up and squat it. Good job. Come on. Clean it and squat. Clean it up and squat. Remember on those squats, go as deep as you can. Nice. Alternating bent over row. 45 seconds isn't any joke, is it? Like we say in Texas, it ain't no joke. Here we go. Switch it. Switch it. Keep your wrist strong, like you're throwing a punch. Wrist strong, boom. Don't bend your wrist. You can take a breather and you need to put your arm down and anchor, that's fine. Anchor it or let it go. Totally up to you. There we go. Just remember, back and pull. Pull. Nice. All right, we got the reverse lunge to press. You can hold it with 2 hands. If you want it, you can go with a rack like we did earlier. It's up to you. Hold it 2 hands, lunge back, press it. I'm gonna stick with this. Lunge and push. Lunge it back and push it up. Good. Beautiful. It just takes your lunge, just makes you have to work and stabilize, okay? Forget it, switch it. Stabilization, whew. Stabilize, press. Stabilize, press. Stabilize, press. Nice job. All right, we got those kettlebell swings. Or you can mix and match. It's all up to you. I love it. Swings. Hinge, hinge, hinge. Boom, boom. It's all about doing your best today. What do you got today? Your best. Just do what you can. Get your workouts in. Whew. Nice. Breathe. Nice. All right, last round, here we go. We got deadlifts. Let's hit it. Push your butt out, hinge at the hip. Boom. Bend the knees, chest up. A lot of things to remember. Good. Good job. Alternating clean and squat, can't even talk. Here we go. Feels good. Good sweat. Boom, switch it out. Close to the body. Inhale as you go down. Right here, inhale. Blow it out. Yeah, I love it. Last one, come on. Nice job. Put that bent over row. Alternate it. Let's go. Awesome. Yeah. All right, we got that reverse lunge of the press. Remember, lunge back. If you need to hold on to something, hold on to something. Let's go. Boom. Balance. Boom. I'll got one more of the switch. Switch it out. Finish it. Nice. All right, the kettlebell swings to finish. Let's go. Finish strong. Good job. Good job. Hope you're enjoying our workouts. Please subscribe. Check out all the other ones. Thank you so much.